The lever lock is the smallest smart lock that will integrate to your existing deadbolt in your house or business. Stay tuned and stick till the end of the video, guys. We'll share with you all the information that I know so far from the actual manufacturer. Stay tuned. So the smallest smart lock in the market, the lever lock. Now, before we're gonna start, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Kobe and I'm with Silver Eagle Locksmith Las Vegas YouTube channel. If you're interested in home security related stuff, new upcoming smart locks, installation, door reinforcement, and more, consider subscribing. And also make sure to click the bell and turn all notifications so you will be notified first when I release new videos when I release them. Okay, without further ado, let's move on talking about the new smallest smart lock, the lever lock, coming up right now. Before I make this video, I wanted to find out the most valuable information for you guys before you purchase the lever lock smart lock. Now, I was able to reach out to the manufacturer and also do my own research online and find out what deadbolts are actually compatible with the lever lock. Now, I do share that list down below in the description of my video, so make sure to check that link down below in the description. Now, basically, many deadbolts will work with the lever lock and will be integrated with this smart lock. Some will not, such as the multi-lock MT5 Plus hair killer deadbolt is a high security deadbolt that will not work with that because the actual design of the high security deadbolt, it will interfere with the mechanism and the actual mechanism of the lever lock, and that's why it will not work with that. But in that list down below in the description, you will find some grade 1 deadbolt lock that will work with the lever lock. So combined with grade 1 lock and the lever lock, you will get a full grade 1 security rating smart lock and actual deadbolt lock. Now, I do share a link down below in the description of one of my favorite grade 1 deadbolt, and check that link as well. Okay, without further ado, let's move on to something that is really important for you guys to know, is to check the actual backset of your door. Now, most backset in residential and commercial use basically is 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 backset. Now, in most residential, it's going to be 2 3/8 backset, and in actual commercial, it's going to be 2 3/4 size. Now, some doors in residential houses can be also 2 3/4. So you want to make sure, guys, what backset size is your door. And I do show how to do it right here, how you can check what backset you have, because before you purchase the actual lever lock, you will have to choose. Either way, it's going to be 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 size. So that's something that I want you guys to know. Okay, let's move on and talk about the features of this lock and what basically it offers you, and it's coming up right now. So the lever lock features, like any smart lock, it will work with a phone app. Yes, so you will be able to open the door when you're next to the door using your smartphone by tapping the actual lock, and you will be able to open it using your smartphone. Another cool thing is going to be the auto unlock feature. So yes, if you do want to enable this feature, it will recognize that you're approaching to the door and it will auto unlock it for you. Now, this actual feature is one of my favorite, and I do use it in my garage door when I coming back to the house, and it will open it automatically for me. Another features with this lock is basically going to be the sharing access. So you will be able to share access to friends and family using the app and revoke that access later on if you don't want to. This is just great, guys. Another thing with this lock is the remote access. So you will be able to remote control the Deadbolt using an actual HomeKit hub. Now, the compatible hubs are Apple TV 4th generation or later, HomePod, and iPad with iOS 10 or later, and with Bluetooth 4.0. Now, all those hubs will integrate with the level lock and will give you the ability of remote access the actual lock. So this is just great, guys. You will get push notification to your smartphone when someone opened the door and when the door closed. So this is just great as well. Another thing with this lock, and it's one of the most important one, it's going to be the security rating. Now, the level lock reached grade 1 security rating by ANSI. If you don't know what ANSI is, basically they're a non-profit organization here in the US that performing different type of security testing and their ability for any locking hardware, such as Deadbolt. Now, when manufacturers choose to send the actual lock to them, they will perform different type of testing and they will rate the lock by grade. And grade 1, in this case, the level lock, it's the highest security rating by ANSI, and that means that you will get the best security rating to your front door. So this is just great, guys. Also, they use advanced encryption standard for the actual app. So this is just great, guys. Now, I didn't find information if it's 128-bit or lower. I'm not sure about that part because I didn't saw it online, but I do know that they use advanced encryption standard, which is good security for the actual app. Another feature with this lock is basically the services and integration. So the features of having a delivery grocery to your house automatically with this lock. So yes, Walmart in-home delivery is another integration and services with the level lock. Now, if you want to find more information about that, because I'm not going to talk about that in depth, I do share a link down below in the description of the video. Check that as well. And regarding battery life, so as manufacturers saying, it will last about a year. The level lock use an actual lithium 3-volt CR2 battery, and it should stay and last about a year. I recommend to my own customer to change the battery anywhere between 6 to 8 months, of course depending on the traffic. Now, the good thing that actual app will give you notification when the battery reach 20%. So it will give you enough time in advance to change the battery. So this is just great, guys. Now, basically, you got everything with this smart lock. It's so good because, for my opinion, you will keep your existing Deadbolt without changing anything statically, but you still get the convenience of a smart lock. Also, if you do want to use a key, conventional key that you already have to access the Deadbolt, you can do it as well. And this is just great, guys. In case something go wrong with the lock, you always have the manual key to override and gain access to your house. And that's pretty much it, guys. I think we cover everything. Now, the lock is not available yet to the public, but it will be very soon. And I do share a link down below with all the other good links, so make sure to check the link down below in the description of the video. And if you do have any question regarding this lock, I'm always here and I will be happy to hear what you have, and I will answer as soon as I can. So make sure to write a comment in the comment section below, and I promise that I will answer you as soon as I can. Now, don't forget, something that is very important to me, guys, if you do like this video, don't forget, smash that like button. Don't forget, like my video. It's really important to me because this is how YouTube rewards me. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget, consider subscribing and make sure to click the bell right after and turn on notifications so you will be notified first when I release new videos, when I release them. And the last part is that I do share links of my previous videos about some awesome smart locks that I'm sure that you'll find them interesting as well. Make sure to click and watch these videos right now, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.